Taiwan has always been like home. It's where our journey began, and it's where the industry comes together.
Welcome to GTC Taiwan.
We brought GTC to Taipei to build, to connect, to show what's possible together.
Here I am standing in front of you. Vera Rubin is in full production. Vera Rubin is the most ambitious endeavor in the history of our company. RTX Spark is a reinvention of laptop. This is the first completely re-engineered, reinvented line of PCs in 40 years. The computer industry has been completely changed because agents were realized and it converged with the latest frontier models. This is the NVIDIA toolkit for agents. This is the reason why every enterprise company in the world has the ability now to create their own agents. I want to thank all of you for your partnership, your friendship. We couldn't be here without everything that we do together.
The world is watching NVIDIA shape the future of AI. And today, Taipei is proud to be part of that future.
Thanks for an amazing year. Thank you. Take care.